Hey there! Have you ever dreamed of investing in real estate but thought you needed a fortune to get started? Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you how you can dive into real estate with just $500. Yep, you heard that right. $500. So, let's get straight to it. First off, you don't need to buy an entire house to become a real estate investor. What you're going to do is invest in something called a real estate investment trust, or REIT for short. Think of it like buying shares in a company, but instead, you're buying into real estate properties. You own a tiny slice of a big pie, and who doesn't love pie? Now let's talk about how REITs work. When you buy shares in a REIT, you're pooling your money with other investors to invest in large-scale properties. These could be shopping malls, office buildings, or even apartment complexes. The best part? You get a share of the rental income and any profits from property sales. It's like being a landlord without dealing with clogged toilets at 3 a.m. Win-win. Alright, so how do you actually get started with REITs? It's super simple. You can buy REIT shares through a brokerage account just like you would with stocks. Platforms like Robinhood, E*Trade, and Fidelity make it easy to start. Just sign up, deposit your $500, and boom, you're a real estate investor. But wait, there's more. Some REITs are publicly traded, meaning you can buy and sell them on the stock exchange. Others are private or non-traded, which might offer higher returns but come with more risks and less liquidity. So, do your homework and pick the right one for you. Remember, it's your hard-earned money. Now, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. When you reinvest your dividends back into buying more shares, your investment grows faster over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow as it goes. Before you know it, you've turned that $500 into a hefty sum. And there you have it. Investing in real estate with $500 is totally doable and can set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Your future self will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Take that $500 and let's get you started in the world of real estate investing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks on personal finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing!